Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I giggle a little bit because I've been filming November and December's monthly spreads early, like in October. Mostly because I have found I just have so many dates coming up that I really need to start writing in that I went, go ahead and decorate. Which is why I love getting xomamaplans monthly kits because it takes care of everything. And that makes me happy. That's really what I need in life. So I'm going to go ahead and get the, well, we'll do this together and then I'll put the dates down and then we'll go from there. But yeah, look how cute it is. Super cute. All right. So I think in November, I think I want to switch it up. In November, I put the month on which side? I put the month on that side. So let's put December on this side. Now, I believe these were made for Erin Condren's. These are Happy Planner sized inserts from xomamaplans. Love them. We'll keep using them. Yeah. So the top layer is a little large, but that's okay. Now, her monthly kits come with, you can get the kit and then there's like a little extra attachment you can get. I just got the kit this time. I did not get the extra sticker attachment thing. Let's put our days of the week down. Do you ever get that way? Like if you're a decorative planner, and you know, like you have a ton of stuff coming up, are you like a post-it note person who like puts sticky notes on the calendar before you decorate? I used to do that. Since I had these kits, I was like, you know what? We're just gonna get the decorative part out of the way. And then from there, we can do more things, right? Right. All right, I'm gonna get the dates down and then I will meet you back here. All right, dates are done. It's always a little bit fiddly, so it's like nobody needs to see that. I don't have when all of these holidays are happening, but I'll put the ones that I celebrate down and then I'll look at the big calendar that I have and put the rest of them down, but I need to look them up. So one thing I do, I don't like to divide a box in half. So if I have an extra day and there's spots up here, then I put the, 31st or whatever up there. That's how I roll. It might look a little silly, but I don't care. We have concerts, and I want to use some. I know I should probably just use the ones that she has there, but look how cute this magical mouse one is. What do I do? Think about it. Think about it. Go ahead and put your paydays down. We'll do school paydays. And then pink zebra payday. We go up to the 22nd, which is great in the sense of like, we'll have a little bit, it's the same amount of time. Same amount of time off. But I feel like it feels longer because we'll have that whole first week of January done. So it's just interesting. Next year will also be an interesting one. Let's do, I'm going to have to cut it either way because I have a concert on the 7th, concert on the 6th. I think I'm going to use this guy. I think it'll just be easier. Maybe if it wants to unleash kind of overextend just a little bit. And gift card. Concert season is upon us. As I said, I am filming this in October, and we are well on our way to memorizing the music, because that's just how we roll. I saw some e-card that was like, October, where the music room is a weird mix of Halloween songs, Veterans Day songs, and Christmas music. It's true, friends. It's very, very true. I think I will put the boxes up at the top just because I can. And maybe we add do the bows. The florals. I know I could save them for another spread, but I'm probably going to use all of these here. And there's a little bit of white showing. Do I want to use one of the thin strips of washi? I bet you we can. I bet you we can. You can go a little sparkle sparkle right there. And then I'll cut that part off. And then we will use for winter break. I probably should have thought about this where I put the Merry Christmas and all that, but oh well. We'll start down here on that side. Ooh, didn't think that part through. Will you release without undo? Will you? Oh, maybe, maybe. I'll leave that. And maybe we just make it work this way. I've got that little sliver from up top. We'll just add him on there. That'll work. That will work. We'll do a last day of school. Let's put, for the concerts, I could put the other sparkly ones. I think I'll do... Let's match it up with the box on top. That one. And that one. Sweet. Awesome. And is there anything else that I want to add there at this moment? I don't think so. I think we're good. Whew. Oh, Goodie Table Day. Goodie Table Day is when we assign certain staff members to bring in like treats on the first Friday of the month. So my first Friday is December 1st, which I keep wondering why. They all know I have concerts coming up, but like every year I have it right there every time. All right, let's put a little banner here. I like that. I think that might be where I leave it, friends. That way I can fill it in as I go. Like I said in my November plan with me, I'm not going to show you the habit tracker side of things yet because I just not prepared to do that. But I did want to get this done so that as dates come in, I can easily fill it in, not have to worry about, did I film it? Did I do it? Like I said, this kit is from xomamaplans. I'll put a link in the description for her shop. Also the washi is too, by the way. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you all in the next one.